everyone. So as you know already that Azure DP-203 has been retired. Okay, the certification has been retired. Right, it was very famous certification for the data engineers, and lots of people have done it. Okay, and it have really helped them in getting their resume shortlisted. Now it has been retired. Okay, so many people have asked me that what is the as you can see, this Azure DP-203 certification has been officially retired on March 31st, 2025. Last year only got retired, right? So it got retired. Now, what people were thinking, okay, let's move to the DP-700. Okay. But what happening? What is DP-700? DP-700 is basically a certification for fabric data engineer. Okay. So using this certification, you can understand the fabric which have data lakes, lake house, data warehousing, real-time analytics, Power BI and all. So it's based on Power BI and it have lots of data engineering capabilities. But Fabric is different package itself. And DP-203, it was capturing different thing. Okay, DP-203 was basically it for data engineers on Microsoft Azure. Okay, it was capturing what? Like it having EDF, ADLS, okay, Data Factory, Synapse Analytics, ADLS, Lakehouse Storage. Okay, but now recently Microsoft announced a new certification. So instead of going to 700 DP-700, if you go with 750, then it will be more helpful. So if you check what is DP-750, so if you go to the Microsoft website, you will get to know the 750 is for data engineering solution using Databricks. Okay, so I think DP-750, you can say it connect with 203, which was earlier available. Okay, but now this has been started recently. Okay, and in this certification, you will see you have compute in workplace means how you use the compute on Databricks, shared cluster, warehouse, compute, and all. Okay, then it's basically based on Databricks only. So you can see your Unity catalog is there. Okay, so these are the topics it covered. Unity catalog object. Then it covered how you implement the data modeling in Unity catalog in details like SCD types, whether you are using Parquet, Delta, CSV, JSON, any format, table format like iceberg. Okay, you are taking the data from like any ingestion tool like Azure Data Factory. Okay, you are connecting with notebooks and all, and you are taking the data from the data ingestion you are doing from the Azure Data Factory. Then from on-premise, then you are keeping the data into ADLS. Okay, then you are moving that data from ADLS to Databricks. Okay, using the you can say Databricks jobs. You are reading the data from Lakehouse. Okay, from the ADLS, and then like data lake. Now you are ingesting data firstly. Then you are taking the data after reading the Databricks, and you are taking the data in the Unity catalog. Okay, in the silver layer. Firstly in the bronze layer, then into the silver layer. Okay, bronze layer you will get the same data which is available in the ADLS raw copy, and you will move it to the silver layer. So that all things like whether it's change data capture, CDC, or SED types, schema evaluation. So all thing has been covered here. Okay, in this exam. So I will suggest you if you are having 2-3 years of experience, more than that, or at least 2-3 years of experience, and you are planning for any data engineering certification, then plan for this one, DP-750 instead of DP-700. Okay, and you can learn from here as well. Okay, lots of contents are available on this link. I will drop this in the comment section as well. You can check from there, and you can take this one. Okay, this exam. I will say if you're working in some company, so obviously it will be free for you. And if you're planning for switch, then also it can help you. You can go for this certification. Okay, at least it can make your resume a bit different than the others, because this is a quite new certification and very less people have done it. Okay, so you can do for that. For data engineers, I will recommend this certification. Okay, okay, so we'll see in the next video what else are coming. Okay, for now you can go for this certification if you are interested in learning data engineering and having a certification in your resume. Okay, so for that it will be helpful. Okay, do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.